Hello guys, welcome again to another episode of the copy trading series. So today we are going to compare copy trading with algo trading. So we want to know which one is better. So if you want to know the difference between copy trading and algo trading, then this video is for you. And if you want to know between copy trading and algo trading which is better, make sure you watch this video till the very end. Alright, a quick introduction. My name is Anebit Asanga. I am a forex trader and also the founder of A+ Trading Hub. So if you are new to this channel, I want you to do just one thing for me. All I want you to do is hit on the subscribe button below this video and tap on that notification icon there. So when next we drop a video, you will get notified immediately. So for the sake of new guys, for the sake of the newbies and also those just hearing about the term copy trading or algo trading for the very first time, I'm going to do you a favor of explaining these two before we move into comparing the two. So first of all, what is copy trading? So copy trading enables individuals in the financial markets to automatically copy positions opened and managed by professional traders. It is also known as social trading. So you actually do this by connecting your trading accounts to another trader's account. So when a trader opens a position, it will automatically reflect on your own account. So and you do this using a copy trading platform or an app. So for algo trading is when you use computer codes and software to open and close trades according to a set rules, right? Such as a point of price movement in an underlying market, or maybe you can say, okay, when a moving average cross, right, you buy or you sell. You use codes to make all these rules. So that is algo trading. Before we compare the advantages, right, of copy trading and algo trading, let's look at the risks, because personally I like looking at the risks first. From observation, both of them have similar risks, because the very first one is a market risk. Both of them involves putting some of your capital at risk. Then two, track record too. They have an issue with the track record because some algo vendors will always show you only the results that made profit. They won't show you the result that made losses. Right? Then for copy trading, some of the copy trading apps and platforms are actually buggy and lagging, so they may not update the trader's trading history in real time. All right, so these are the two risks involved with both copy trading and algo trading. So let's look at the advantages. Let's compare the advantages. Now we are going to use 7 key metrics to do this comparison. The very first one is accessibility, and we start with algo trading. So is algo easily accessed? My answer is no, and this is why. Now to see a very good algo out there is hard, because these algos were formerly majorly used by institutional traders and hedge funds, so most of them are outdated. So that is why the hedge funds or the institutional traders don't use them again. Then some people now get them and sell it out to the retail traders. So to get a very good algo that is working is hard. Then apart from that, running an algo on your account, you need a VPS. In some cases you also need a VPN. So it is not easy to access a very good algo, but for copy trading is a bit easy. All you need to do is just download the copy trading app, look for the strategy providers or managers you want to copy that is profitable and you want to copy. Then with a snap of a finger you have started copying their trade. So in terms of accessibility, copy trading is way better than algo trading. So the second one is the minimum equity required. Now with algo trading, the minimum equity required is 1,000 for me. I would say 1,000. Though some algo vendors will tell you can trade with any account balance. You can trade with 50, you can trade with 100, 300. But from my personal experience, the best is 1000. If you try using 300 or 500, it will work well for some time, but in the long run it will end up blowing up your account. So 1000. But for copy trading, some copy trading apps will even allow you copy a strategy provider with as low as 10 USD. Though I don't recommend you using 10 USD. Alright, so you can do it 10 USD, you can do 50, you can do 100. Alright, but 10 USD, no, I won't recommend. And okay, if you would love me to make a video on copy trading with $10, comment below this video, copy trading with $10. Just comment copy trading with $10. When I see more comments, more of these comments, then I will consider making a video on copy trading with $10. All right, I'm going to explain everything about copy trading with $10, why I say it is not good or it is not reasonable. So minimum equity, we give it to copy trading. The next one is freedom. Freedom here, I'm talking about how passive is this two system. Is algo trading a complete passive system? Because the way some EA vendors, some algo vendors market it, they make it look as if that once you just set up everything, you forget about it and you don't need to check it again. Like it's going to continue making you profit all day long and throughout the year. So let's look at the freedom. So we start with algo trading. Truth be told, algo trading, you still need to be looking at it from time to time, maybe daily, maybe weekly. You need to look at how the trades are going, because at some point you need to maybe change some settings, right, depending on the market conditions. And sometimes when you get into a huge drawdown, you need to manage it manually. Alright, so algo trading is not a complete passive income system the way the algo vendors market it. But for copy trading, you will agree with me that is going to be is passive, because you are not the one doing the trading here. The strategy managers and providers are actually trading, so they manage all the positions that they have opened, so you don't have to do anything, right? So to some extent, copy trading can be considered a passive income. All right, though you can decide to call it a leverage income, because you are actually leveraging on the experiences and knowledge of professional traders. All right, but it's still passive. So for freedom, I give it to copy trading. Then the fourth thing we have to consider is security of funds. Right, on security of funds, both of them are actually the same. They're actually the same, because both of them, you need to create your own accounts, and the money, your funds, actually stays in your trading account, so nobody has access to it apart from you. So security of funds is actually on the same level here with algo and copy trading. The next one is transparency. Both of them are actually transparent, because with algo trading, you are actually seeing the trades that are being taken by the algo. Then for copy trading too, you are seeing your account growth in real time, and you're also seeing the trades that the strategy managers and providers are taking. So transparency is on the same level. Next one here is diversification, and on diversification, you can't really diversify with algo trading, and this is why I'm saying this. Some algos are being coded for a particular asset or currency pair. There are some algos that you can't use it to trade maybe gold. You can only use it to trade currency, maybe GBP USD, Euro USD. There are some algos that you can use it to trade only gold, or maybe only Nasdaq, right? So with algos, you can't really diversify, because if you take an algo that is trading only GBP USD and Euro USD, and you decide to trade and you decide to activate them, run them on those two currency pairs, you are actually exposing yourself, because it's like, because these two currency pairs, they move in tandem, they move in the same direction. When you run this algo on the two currency pairs, that means you are just increasing your risk. So that is not diversification. But for copy trading, you can actually choose to diversify, because we have different calibers of traders. We have the day traders there, you have the swing traders, the position traders also there. So you can decide to maybe copy a day trader and copy a swing trader, because they are now having two trading strategies now. And on the side of assets, you can decide to copy someone who is focused on trading just maybe currency pairs, and the other one trading just maybe gold or maybe just cryptos. So There's no way you can copy all of them, like you diversify, copy this one, copy this one, copy this one, and all of them are making losses at the same time. Trader A may be making losses, trader B and C will be making profit. And it actually balances the whole stuff. So with copy trading, you can actually diversify. So with diversification, we give it up to copy trading. Then 7 is risk management. Risk management. Let's start with algos. On algos, it's actually hard to manage risks. Though the algo vendors will tell you, there's a risk management feature. If you just say so percentage, when you have such a drawdown, it will automatically stop. My dear, to be very, very honest with you, that thing doesn't work. I've tried several algos. It ends up blowing up accounts. Alright, that feature doesn't work because maybe you get a drawdown and you reach that limit you set, but it will still continue running. So it does not work. So, but on copy trading, it actually works. Though we have some very, very bad, fraudulent or super buggy copy trading platforms or apps. But if you are trading with a very, very good broker with a good copy trading app, once you set your maximum drawdown, like your hard stop level, once there's a drawdown and it hits that limit, it will automatically stop copy. So with copy trading, you can actually control the risks. On risk management, I give it to copy trading. So let's do a rundown and give this thing a score. Right? You agree with me that on risk management, on the risks is the same thing. All right, both of them share the same risks. They have similar risks. So we just only do our grading on the advantages. Right, we are comparing just the advantages now. So this is about 7 key metrics. So we do it over 70. Each key metric is 10 points. So with accessibility, we give it to copy trading. So that is 10 points to copy trading. It's easily accessed. 2 minimum equity, still copy trading. So that's 20 points for copy trading. And 3, we give it to 3. Okay, 3 was copy trading too. So that is 30 points for copy trading. And algo trading 0. Then 4, security of funds. Okay, this was on the same level. So no points for copy trading, no points for algo. 5, transparency. This was also on the same level. No points for copy trading, no points for algo trading. Then 6 was diversification, and we give it to copy trading. So that is a 40 points. I hope I'm right. That is 40 points for copy trading. Then 7, risk management, we give it to copy trading. So that is 50 points to copy trading. So you can see on the overall, comparing the advantages of these two systems, copy trading and algo trading, copy trading is actually the best. Right, copy trading is better than algo trading, though there is room for improvement here. There is room for improvement on both on the algo side and also on the copy trading side. Right now, with the state of things in the financial market and considering these two systems of trading, copy trading and algo trading, copy trading is way better than algo trading, especially if you are a newbie. If you are a newbie, like a total newbie, please go for copy trading. Don't attempt algo trading because algo trading needs some level of experience in the market. Don't allow anyone to scam you or to fool you. Algo trading, you need some level of experience. If you are already trading, like you are an intermediate trader or maybe a professional trader, you can try algo trading. At least you understand what is happening. You can know what to do and how to tweak it. But for a complete novice, a total newbie, please go for copy trading. It's going to save you time and save you money too. Not just time, but also save you money. So that is it for this video. If you have any questions, make sure you comment below this video. I actually take out time to read all the comments on my videos. So I look at the questions and I'll answer them one after the other. Then if this video was actually helpful for you, kindly like the video, comment too, like share your experiences on these videos, and also share this video too. Share this video. Then before you jump off, if you really want to discover how to print daily alerts from the forex market without giving your money to anyone to invest or paying for expensive signals or bots, then I have something that might interest you. There is the link on the description below this video. So kindly look at the description below this video, tap on that link and follow the simple steps there. So that is it for today. I'll see you on the next episode. Make sure you stay safe. Bye.